Well, of course, the focus continues to be how, unfortunately, there has been a 3 rupees fuel hike. However, there has been a lot of protests which have erupted in Karnataka. In fact, look at these visuals which are coming in on your screens. Just days after the Lok Sabha results, the Karnataka government has raised the fuel price in the state. In fact, the petrol prices have been hiked by 28.84%, while the diesel prices have gone up by 18.44%. So the people of Karnataka will now have to pay around 3 rupees more on every litre of petrol. Meanwhile, let's get you more breaking news which is coming in. Minute-by-minute updates that we've been getting for you. There are protests being held by the BJP against this fuel hike, which has already begun at the Freedom Park. We'll be getting you the latest visuals which are coming in from the Freedom Park. In fact, some of the leaders have also come on a bullock cart as a mark of protest, saying that now fuel has become way too expensive for them to afford. These are the visuals which are coming in. As you can see, there are also mock funerals which are now being taken out by the BJP. Of course, there have been a lot of protests which are being carried out by the opposition. Let me, in fact, go across to Deepak, who's joining us with more details. Deepak, if you can get us the details which have been coming in. I believe the protests have already hit the streets at the Freedom Park. What does the BJP have planned over this?
Well, you can see several senior leaders of the BJP, of course, who've come here and gathered at the Freedom Park. We saw those visuals of some of them, including the leader of the opposition, R. Ashok, C.T. Ravi, and many others, coming in a bullock cart as a form of protest to mark this, rise in, petrol and diesel prices. They're saying this is not just going to dent the common man; it's also increasing, of course, the prices of the essential commodities that will affect the entire state. Here at Freedom Park, let me take you through some of the visuals. You can see the leader of the opposition right now addressing the party workers. You can see, B.Y. Vijayendra, the party president, C.T. Ravi, Ashok Narayan, and several other BJP leaders, of course, who are here and who continue to speak to the people. Earlier, they were also mentioning about how Siddaramaiah, while the BJP was in power and Siddaramaiah was the leader of the opposition, he had gone on to say that, a 1 rupee increase in the price of the fuel by the BJP then, he had termed it detrimental to the interests of the people. And now the BJP questioning how a chief minister who had condemned a 1 rupee rise can now justify a 3 rupee rise in fuel prices. You can see a huge number of people right now gathered. In a short while from now, we're expecting the BJP to carry out a march from here, and they are saying that they will attempt to get out the chief minister's office. But right now the police as well have been deployed in huge numbers. Multiple buses have been brought in to take the BJP leaders into preventive custody. That's expected to happen in a short while from now. Meanwhile, the protests at this Freedom Park over the fuel price continues, with the BJP saying is against the interests of the common man, just to fund the guarantees of the Congress party, which already has been leading the state exchequer, has not been giving or leaving any funds for development. And right now, this is continuing to burden the common man after the increase in stamp duty, increase in milk, increase in liquor prices, and now it is the fuel prices that have been increased by the state government. The charge that is coming to the BJP.
But you must explain to our viewers as well, how is the Siddaramaiah government, how is the Congress government justifying this fuel hike? As you rightly pointed out, when they were sitting in the opposition, they made a huge hue and cry over the fuel price hike.
Yes, at that point in time, it was a hike of rupees 1, and now it was a hike of rupees 3. And the justification coming from the Congress is that when you compare it to the other states, the state of Karnataka hasn't hiked its price in the last couple of years. The chief minister himself candidly, says that it was because of the elections that probably that hike didn't happen. And right now, it should be at least close to a few other states, and also should generate revenue for the state of Karnataka, and that's the reason this hike has come in. Is a statement. Some of his own ministers like MP Patil have said that this increase in fuel prices will fund the guarantees, will fund developmental work, and saying that states like Maharashtra, which are similar in terms of economy to Karnataka, the prices are even now much higher. So they try to justify putting this burden on the common man.
Do stay on with us.